Hi guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. So for today's video I have something brand new. This is my first time ever doing this, and today I actually applied fake nails. These are the Salon Acrylic and Natural Nails by Kiss. I got these at Ulta a few weeks ago, and today I had a little bit of time to apply these. Now I didn't leave them how they came. I actually applied gel nail polish, and of course I feel like they look so good. Of course I kind of like messed up on the gel nail polish here and there, but honestly you guys, I was like on a little time crunch because my daughter was asleep and I kind of really wanted to get them done before she woke up. So I managed to do it and they came out super good. Now these are supposed to last for 7 days. It's 7-day wear, so it's a whole entire week. Now if they last a whole entire week for like $9 or I think $8, something like that, that is gonna be a steal. Like, I am gonna be super excited for this. Another good thing, you guys, is that this comes with 28 nails, so if you're very careful and nothing happens, nothing goes wrong with your nails, you can definitely apply them 2 times, so that is so good. And of course it does come with like a little tiny glue, and I'm pretty sure you can probably use like the entire glue on the first try. I was really careful and I was super fast, so I didn't use a lot of glue, but you can always purchase a different type of glue at Sally's or on Amazon. I've been into kind of like my nails lately because I feel like I haven't had the time to focus on my hands, and they've been like, I mean, if you're a mom and you're a housewife, you know your nails are so like, they are hideous all the time. Like, you know, washing dishes, cooking, you know, playing with the baby, and just everything, your nails can become like crazy. And I really haven't had time to go to the salon just because of quarantine. I really am trying to avoid places, and a lot of the salons around me are closed, so you know, I just figured to try on these nails, and I am so happy with the outcome. Like, they look so good. Like, obviously I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did kind of like messed up on the nail polish, but that is totally fixable. You just have to be a lot more careful and have a little bit more time. And like I said, I try to do it super fast just because my daughter was, you know, asleep, and it was around the time that she was almost gonna wake up, so I was really like trying to hurry, but they turned out so good. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I applied them. Obviously I'm not a pro, this is my first time, but I feel like they turned out super good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, you guys are already here, so please subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. And yeah guys, let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay guys, so these are the nails that I picked up at Ulta. They are the Kiss Euphoria Salon Acrylic Natural Nails. So they do come with 28 nails. They do come with like a nail file, a little cuticle pusher, and of course the glue. Now these retail at Ulta for $5.49, so I was totally wrong. They're like below $9 for sure. And then I also checked on Amazon, and they do have them for $11.99 for 2 packs, so that's a really good deal. So I'll definitely link them down below for you guys in case you guys are interested. Also, these are medium length. And right here what I'm doing is just basically getting the nail that best fits my actual nail and setting it aside so I can apply it later. I also washed my hands, and then before you apply the nails, you definitely have to cleanse your nail with alcohol. So I had already done this, and I also did push my cuticles back. That's why you don't see me do that right here, but that's what I did prior to starting. So right here I just have my nails all set up the way I'm going to be applying them to make it easier. But before I start applying them, I'm going to take this little mini nail filer, and I'm just going to quickly file all my nails down just to get rid of any shininess, any bumps or anything like that, and get them ready for the glue and the nail application. Okay guys, so now we are ready for the actual nail application. Now the instructions said to apply glue to the back of the artificial nail, but what I went ahead and did was I applied a little tiny bit of glue to my actual nail and then the rest on the artificial nail. And then I just aligned it with my cuticle, and then I just pressed on and then hold it for a few seconds. And that is pretty much it, you guys. It's super easy and simple and very fast. And that is basically what I did to my entire nails. Okay guys, and we are basically pretty much done with the whole nail application. As you guys can see in a little bit, I did leave a few like air bubbles where the glue didn't spread out all the way, but I was doing this super quickly before my daughter woke up, so definitely take your time doing this step on applying the glue fairly well. But like I said, I had minimal time. But right here what I'm doing is I just grabbed the little nail filer, and then I'm just gonna file the nails at the tip because they have like a tiny bit of like plastic. I don't know, it's like a little piece of plastic. So I just filed them down so they're a little bit more smoother. Okay guys, so now it's time for the polish. And now the gel polish that I'm going to be using today is by Seaweed gel, and it's in the shade Snow White. It's just your basic white nail polish. Now this gel polish I got a few years ago off Amazon, and it is really good. I really like it. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but I think it's definitely worth it. Now one thing I like about this nail polish is that you don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat. All you need is the nail polish itself, and that is it. It's super opaque, you only need one coat, but of course I'm really picky with my shade, so I definitely go in with a second coat just because I want that clean opaque shade all the time. And then once you cure it in the light, it is set to go, you guys. You don't need to cure it with any alcohol or anything. It doesn't leave that sticky residue that normally gel nail polishes leave. So it is a really awesome gel nail polish. Now I did pick up the top coat, as you guys can see, but I won't be using that today. I just wanted to show you guys the top coat as well, just because you can actually use a top coat with regular nail polish. Now if you are going to use regular nail polish, you definitely need to wait and make sure it's completely dry. Then after that, you apply the top coat, you cure it with the light, and you are set to go, you guys. It is so awesome. Now I'm gonna go ahead and link down below everything I'm using today, the nail polishes as well as the UV light. I also got the UV light off Amazon, and it's awesome. I love it so much. So yeah, if you guys are interested, everything will be linked down below. Alright guys, so we are pretty much done with this whole process. It was a really fun, easy, and simple process. Of course, I did have to go a little quicker than your average time, but Definitely take your time. As you guys can see, this was my first time and I did, you know, mess up on the nail polish, but like I said, I had a little bit of time because of my daughter. She was about to wake up, but I think they turned out so good for my first time. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see more nail tutorials like this. I definitely enjoyed making this video for you guys. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.